Hi everyone, and welcome back to Dashdoc Academy. I'm Chloe, and today we're going to look at the scheduler. We're going to see how you can schedule and send multiple orders to your drivers all at once. Let's get to it. Here I am on my Dashdoc account on the scheduler page. Right now, we're seeing my driver's pool. Here on the scheduler, we see in our driver's pool different boxes with different colors. If we go ahead and look at the green box, it shows that this activity is done. If we go ahead and click over to the gray box, we see that this activity is planned. However, it has not been sent to the driver yet. Once it has been sent to the driver, we'll see that it'll turn into a blue and white striped box. And once the driver has accepted this order, the box will change color again. If you're ever unsure what the colors mean, all you need to do is go ahead and just put your mouse on top of the box and it'll show you in the description. Coming back to the view where we see our orders and our drivers, to assign, it's very simple. All I need to do is click and drag an order to a driver, and since I've already put in the information and license plates of the driver, this is already set up into the order. So all I need to do is I click on the order, and as you can tell, all of the information is there. The pickup, the delivery, and we also have the driver information where we see the license number as well as the vehicle requested. And if we keep scrolling down, we just see all of the information that we would see in the order with the driver included. So what's really neat here is that in the driver's pool, you can really watch everything in real time, where your orders are going, how the shipments are going, if they've completed. This is a great way to keep track of your orders in real time. If I want to customize the scheduler so that it fits my business, I can go and select the different days that I want to see. I can also go and change who I want to see. And I can also go ahead and click on scheduler settings. And this way I'll see the different views that I have, the different scheduler types, different resources, and the different display. I can choose the tags that I want to see here. And I can also go ahead and click on cards. Once I've clicked on cards, I can request if I want to see the different vehicle that's there, the dispatching notes. All of these things are things that I can do to really customize this view and use this so it'll fit my business in the best way possible. Another useful feature is that I can see my revenue right here in real time. Finally, the scheduler gives me live feedback from the field. Let's look at Beth's case. This shipment is gray, meaning I haven't sent it to her. One way that I can go ahead and send it to Beth is by either clicking on the order, scrolling down, and clicking on Send to Trucker button, or I can also go ahead and click on the calendar icon, click here, and as you can tell, I can send all missions to all my drivers all at once. So we're going to go ahead, and here we are. We see that all of the missions have been sent to the drivers for today, and their colors have changed. It's now blue and white stripes. As soon as these drivers have logged into their mobile apps, they'll be able to accept these orders, and I'll see in real time as the colors will change and go to green. Once Beth goes ahead and starts this order, the box is going to change color, and if I click on it, I'll be able to follow in real time where she is, what paperwork she's getting, and make sure that the order is running smoothly. Just to recap, in this video, we saw the scheduler, how you can use it for scheduling, for assigning, and for sending loads to your drivers. We also looked at how you can customize your view of the scheduler, and also how you can track orders in real time and see their status on the scheduler as well. If you have any questions, feel free to check out our Help Center or any of our Help Desk articles. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time on Dashdoc Academy. Bye.